and welcome back to the Diabesties channel. Jazz over here, and in today's video I am going to be trying out something super new and super exciting. I have never tried this product before, but I know a lot about it, and it's something very interesting and useful for those living with type 1 diabetes. And I am talking about the Ambryosa Bluecon, which is like a transmitter device that can convert an FGM, the Freestyle Libre, into an actual CGM. So I'm super excited to try this out. I'll tell you about all the features and stuff in a bit, but I'm also going to show you the entire activation process and how do we do it. So let's get into it, and thanks to our friends at Ambryosa for sending me this product to try out. And let's do it. I'm super excited. So what I'm gonna first do, what I have with me is the actual Bluecon Nitrider, which is like so. That's what it looks like. And that's the cover. Then I also have a 3D armband, which is gonna like hold it in place when I wear my Freestyle Libre. I have some glue drops to make sure that it sticks together, nothing falls out. I also have some extra batteries because this uses the CR2032 battery. And I also have a Freestyle Libre Pro. Why this is so cool is that because this works with the Freestyle Libre Pro, so even if you don't have a reader, you can use the Libre Activate app and start your sensor. It also works with the Freestyle Libre. So if you have either of them, this is gonna get both of them organized. So I'm gonna just quickly put the sensor on and see you in a minute. So what is exactly the Bluecon? The Bluecon is an NFC to BLE transmitter that goes onto your Libre. So as you can see, I have attached the Bluecon and it is working very well right now. And what is the basic idea of this is to convert the Freestyle Libre Pro or the Freestyle Libre or FGM into an actual CGM. Now, a few of the things about the Bluecon which I find very fascinating. Firstly, that it is very easy and affordable. A lot of the CGMs on the market are quite expensive and may not be like a more viable option for those who are already struggling with a lot of diabetes management. But we all do know the benefits of a true CGM. The Bluecon basically takes readings every 5 minutes and gives you things like a time in range. It gives you alerts for hypos and hypers, so you can act before it actually reaches that value. These readings can also be shared with up to 5 caregivers. So your mother, father, or your caregiver can also have peace of mind seeing your graph. Just like the Freestyle Libre, even the Bluecon works for a full 14 days and then you detach it and apply it to the next FGM that you insert. And the Nitrider Bluecon is reusable and waterproof up to 3 years. So you just have to change your sensor, but the actual transmitter stays the same. You don't have to actually calibrate this, but there is an option to calibrate in case you want to improve the accuracy even further. Also, with the Bluecon, there are lots of different things that you can do on the app, like actually, input your food data, input your insulin history, see the history of your entire graph, and get dynamic data to help you fine-tune your diabetes even more. Another feature of this is that this application is available for Android and iOS, and it is compatible with the Apple Watch. In fact, it's compatible with the Apple Watch even if your iPhone is not close to you. So the Apple Watch connects directly to the transmitter, which is something that is very unique to the Nitrider Bluecon. The app has an array of features. You can get a lot of dynamic data in tabular graphs or in line graphs. you can input your carbohydrates, you can input your food values, you can customize a lot. So you can customize the units of measurement, you can customize your target glucose range and really work with it. Like I keep saying, type 1 diabetes is different for everyone. So this truly allows a very personalized approach to your treatment. So as you see guys, I have applied it. So I am going to actually test drive it for the next few days and give you my true insights after a few days. I'm super excited to try this out and see how an FGM can actually become a true blue CGM. So I'm gonna come back with you and tell you my insights in a few days. Hey guys, so it's been about 7 days since I've been using the Bluecon Night Rider on my Libre, and that is what it looks like. It's been quite sturdy, I must say. Through my workouts, through everything, it's not come off. So that's a plus point. The app is very customizable, which I thought was really good. And you know, you can actually customize things like your unit of measurement, the display, the target glucose range, carbohydrate units, insulin dose increments. The alarms are customizable as well. Sometimes if I don't want an alarm, I'll just turn the alarm setting off as well. Talking about the alarms, the first time it beeped, actually there was a speech alarm, which I think is great for inclusivity.
Level is reached 195 mgdl.
If someone is visually impaired, the speech feature of the alarm is very good. I didn't require it, so I turned it off. But that's a very big plus point. It tells you your graph, it also tells you your arrow, it tells you by what rate it's increasing, it tells you the exact value of an increase or decrease as well, which I thought was very good. So it's a great product. If you are using the Freestyle Libre Pro, this actually makes it into a true blue CGM. And I think that trumps everything. So yes, that was my experience with the Bluecon, and all the links will be down in the description box if you do want to go try it. So go ahead, try it, let me know your thoughts and reviews. And as always, I'll see you again in the next video, but be type 1 of a kind.